Past perfect continuous tense. It denotes how long an action had been running in the past. It means this tense is used for long running past actions. Sentence structure: subject plus had been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Examples: she had been learning English for 3 months. This action had been running for 3 months in the past. For period of time we use for, and for point of time we use since. We had been playing tennis since morning. They had been living in Canada for 10 years. This action also had been running for 10 years. For these type of long running past actions we use past perfect continuous tense. Next, past perfect continuous tense is also used for double actions. When two actions take place in the past, for the earlier action we use past perfect continuous tense, and for the later action we use simple past tense. Examples: he had been learning English before he learnt Spanish. Look at this sentence. There are two actions. He learnt Spanish is one action. He had been learning English is another action. He had been learning English is a long running past action. So for the first action we have used past perfect continuous tense, and for the second action we have used simple past tense in this sentence. Meaning of the sentence is: before he learnt Spanish, he had been learning English. Next example: we had been watching a movie on TV before they came. Here also two actions. They came is one action. We had been watching a movie on TV is another action. Meaning of the sentence is: before they came, we had been watching a movie on TV. They had been writing the exam before the bell rang. The bell rang is one action. They had been writing the exam is another action. Meaning of the sentence is: before the bell rang, they had been writing the exam. For these type of double actions, we use past perfect continuous tense. For the earlier action, we use past perfect continuous tense, and for the later action, we use a simple past tense. And the earlier action must be long running action. Next, some more examples. She had been dancing for 2 hours when we went her house. Look at this sentence. There are two actions. We went her house is one action. She had been dancing for 2 hours is another action. We have connected these two sentences with the help of the conjunction word when. Meaning of the sentence is: when we went to her house, she had been dancing for 2 hours. For this type of sentences also we use past perfect continuous tense. Next example: I was tired because I had been doing exercise for 2 hours. For result of an action, we use past perfect continuous tense. I was tired because I had been doing exercise for 2 hours. I had been doing exercise for 2 hours is the action, and the result is I was tired. For this type of result of an action, we use past perfect continuous tense. Next example: it had been raining for 4 hours when we went for shopping.